Hi friends, do you know the story about brown bear? Like brown bear, what do you see? So in this picture, it's called I Spy. So what do you spy? How many brown bears do you see? How many blue horses do you see? How many goldfish? How many purple cats? How many red birds? How many teachers? How many white dogs, green frogs, black sheep, yellow ducks? How many do you see? On here, you can write your name, and there's a little tally where you write little lines. So how many brown bears? You can write one line for every brown bear. So 1, 2, you can do that. Or you could graph it down here. You can color in. If you see one brown bear, color that in. 2 brown bears, color that in. And see how many you can find of each animal. On here, you can do the same thing. You can graph it. And if you want, you can put the number here like you found 2 brown bears. How many frogs did you find here? And then you can add them together. You can use your fingers, you can use however you want to do it to add these up. They do not have to be done at the same time. There's 4 different projects here to go with this. Or if you'd like, just have fun looking around and finding things. How many teachers can you find? How many blue horses can you find? This is something you can do over and over and over. Do you want to use a magnifying glass? Do you have one at home to look for the different animals? This is one of my favorite stories too. Can you check the book out from the library? Enjoy reading it over and over. Have lots of fun with this game. Bye, friends.